third popular solder connection method is wrapping cable. So in this technique, you push the wires together rather than twist them. Actually, you wrap with the small size wire. Usually we use these techniques whenever you don't have enough wire to actually implement the other previous techniques. So these actually wrapped cable method is good for that kind of the situation. So let's see how we could make the wrapped cable. So as I already mentioned, so first you need to push the wires together. That's what I did here. So then I need a smaller size actually wire to wrap to this connection. So for make my hands free, I actually use this helping hand. And so to fix the wire here. So then you need another small size wire which you're able to wrap the connection. So I'm actually wrapping this connection with the other small size wire. And so if you actually, that's extra, you could actually cut that here, which I did. So finish this side, so again finish the other side. Okay, so as you could see here, I wrap the connection. First I push the wires, then I wrap with the small size wire. So right now it's actually ready to solder. So as usual, I start with the middle. So to actually finish one side, we actually back and go to the other side. So this side is need a little more. So as usual, just you need to make sure there is no sharp edge. So here you need a little weight to cool down the wire, then you could actually touch that, and so I have no sharp edge here. So if you have, again, it's not a big deal, you just need to move that forward and backward and able to eliminate that sharp edge. So this is wrapped cable and how you could solder wrapped cable.